Okay, today I'm going to show you how to replace a NOX sensor on a 328D. This is a 2014, but I'm sure it applies to probably all the years. I'm getting a code for the upper sensor before the catalyst. So obviously you want to jack the car up and then get under here. You can see the NOX sensor wire right there. So we need to remove this belly pan right here, and we'll go from there. Okay, once you have the pans pulled off, you can see I left one screw on this pan here and just moved it out of the way. You also have to remove this pan here. It covers up the exhaust, and it uses a T27, which has a little like security hole like that. There we go. So it looks like this. Okay. So then you come up here, you can see the NOX sensor here, right there with the red wire. Comes all the way over here. You unbolt it right there. Not to be confused with your O2 sensor that's right here. After putting about a quart of WD-40 and PB Blaster, this finally decided to come loose. You can see here. Oh yeah, look at that. It's a beauty. So once you get that popped off, come back over here. Question your life choices, because this is a bigger job than you expected. But you can think about how much money you're saving by not going to the dealership. But basically, once you're up here, take this 8mm off here. Just take the first one off. Take that plug off and then swing it out of the way, and you can get a wrench up there. Bonus points if you have a ratcheting wrench. Now that you have the sensor out, would be a good time to make sure everything looks similar. Same length. Same plug. Let's put this in. Once you get everything tightened up, make sure you zip tie everything back to where it was originally, and make sure you keep it out of the way of this drive shaft that goes to the front differential if you're all-wheel drive like all the US DM 328Ds. And that's it. Hopefully the code goes away and we're good. Reset the check engine. I did it about 3 cycles ago. Fire it up. Looks good.